Hi everyone, my name is Fernanda Riera and focus of the topic art and music. I'm going to talk about things that I like. Okay, my favorite album is Volume 2 Musas, was composed by Natalia Lafourcade. In this album, she expresses her opinions about the society of Mexico. And another album is Hasta la Raíz, was composed by Natalia Lafourcade, and she achieves to transmit all her feelings, and this album is very amazing. A painting I like is Adam Creation. This painting, it was a renaissance that gave way to consider man as the main axis, that is humanism. It was painted by Miguel Angel. Um, the book, the best book I've ever read was La Chica del Tren. This book is very awesome. This book has suspense, has mystery, and I recommend much this novel. A song I sometimes sing is Bellyache, was composed by Billie Eilish. This song is very beautiful, is very awesome. However, the letter doesn't have much sense because the title is Bellyache and the letter is very rarely. A poem I studied at the school was Los Motivos de Lobo, was written by Rubén Darío, one of my favorite poets. And finally, the building much famous in my country, Ecuador, is La Virgen del Panecillo, was built by Bernardo de Legarda in Quito in 1975. It's all for today. Much thanks and bye.